Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're planning to drive in Dubai in 2025, this video is a complete step-by-step guide to getting your driving license the smart and easy way. Let's get right into it. First, what kind of license do you need? Dubai offers different types of driving licenses depending on the vehicle you want to drive. Light motor vehicle license, that's for cars and standard vehicles. Heavy vehicle license for buses and trucks. And motorcycle license for two-wheelers. Now, are you eligible to apply? You must be at least 18 years old. You must have a valid UAE residency visa. And you'll need to pass mandatory eye test. If you meet those criteria, here's how you can get your license. Step 1. Some well-known options are Emirates Driving Institute and Dubai Driving Center. Do your research and pick up the one that suits you best. Step 2. You'll have to complete a set number of theory and practical classes depending on your driving experience. Step 3. This covers road signs, UAE traffic laws, and safe driving habits. It's a multiple choice to study well and take practice tests if you can. Step 4. Once you pass and the theory, it's time to show your driving skills on the road. This part can be tough, so be prepared. And finally, get your license. Once you pass the practical test, head to the RTA office to get your official Dubai driving license. Before the wrap up, here are a quick few tips. Practice driving regularly, especially in the maneuvers they will test on you. Learn and memorize all local road signs. And most importantly, stay calm and confident during both your tests. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to get your driving license in Dubai in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who's planning to hit the road in Dubai. Thanks for watching.